Are you struggling with breastfeeding pain, low milk supply, or wondering if your baby is getting enough milk? Then stay with me until the very end of this video because I'm going to share simple but powerful breastfeeding tips that most new moms never learn in the hospital, and one small mistake that could be secretly reducing your milk supply every single day. Hi, beautiful moms. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about breastfeeding tips for beginners, increasing breast milk naturally, proper latch techniques, and stress-free motherhood guidance. If you're a new mom or expecting your baby soon, this video might completely change your breastfeeding journey. First, let's talk about the most important foundation of successful breastfeeding, the latch. A deep, comfortable latch is the key to pain-free breastfeeding and better milk flow. If breastfeeding hurts beyond the first few seconds, that is not normal. Your baby's mouth should cover more of the areola, not just the nipple, with lips flanged outward like a fish. This alone can instantly reduce nipple pain and cracked nipples. Now here's something many moms don't realize: milk supply works on demand and supply. The more effectively and frequently milk is removed, the more your body produces. That means feeding every 2 to 3 hours in the early weeks is not spoiling your baby, it's building your milk supply. And here's the mistake I mentioned earlier: skipping night feeds too early. Prolactin, the milk-making hormone, is highest at night. Those night feeds are actually helping you produce more milk for the next day. Surprising, right? Now, let's talk about increasing breast milk naturally. Stay hydrated, but don't force gallons of water drink to thirst. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. Skin-to-skin contact is powerful. Just holding your baby against your chest can boost oxytocin and improve milk letdown. And please remember, this stress can slow milk flow. Take deep breaths before feeding. Create a calm corner in your home. Even 5 minutes of quiet relaxation can improve your letdown reflex. If you're pumping, make sure your flange size is correct. Using the wrong size can decrease output and cause discomfort. Massage your breasts gently before and during pumping to stimulate better flow. And here's a pro tip: many lactation consultants look at photos or videos of your baby while pumping. It may sound simple, but it can actually increase milk output by stimulating your hormones. Now let's clear up a common fear. Soft breasts do not mean low milk supply. Your body simply becomes more efficient over time. Instead of focusing on how your breasts feel, watch your baby. Are they gaining weight? Having regular wet diapers? Seeming satisfied after feeds? Those are your real indicators. And if you're dealing with sore nipples, apply a few drops of breast milk and let it air dry. It has natural healing properties. You can also use a high-quality lanolin cream if needed. Remember, breastfeeding is learned by both mom and baby. It can take days or even weeks to feel confident, and that is completely okay. You are not failing. You are learning. And before I share the final tip that can truly transform your breastfeeding confidence, I want to say this: if this video is helping you, please take a second right now to like this video because it helps more new moms find this support. Share it with another mom who might be struggling silently. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly breastfeeding advice, newborn care tips, and motherhood support. Now here's the final tip: trust your body. Your body was designed to nourish your baby. Doubt and comparison steal joy. Every breastfeeding journey looks different. Some moms exclusively breastfeed, some pump, some combine. Feeding what matters most is a healthy baby and a confident mother. If you ever feel overwhelmed, reach out to a certified lactation consultant or pediatric professional. Support makes all the difference. You are stronger than you think, mama. Keep going, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Watch this video again if you need reassurance, and check the description below for additional breastfeeding resources, milk supply boosting tips, and recommended products for new moms. Thank you for watching till the end. That tells me you are serious about giving your baby the best start possible. I'm proud of you. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, you've got this.
Becoming a new mom is beautiful, emotional, and sometimes overwhelming. Breastfeeding can feel natural, but pumping milk can feel confusing. If you're a new mother an expecting mom, or a caregiver, this guide will change the way you understand breastfeeding and breast pumping. Today, you'll learn how to use a manual breast pump correctly, how to increase milk supply, avoid pain, and make breastfeeding easier, safer, and stress-free for both you and your baby. Every mother wants the best for her baby. Breast milk isn't just food, it's immunity, love, protection, and bonding. But not every mother can breastfeed easily at all times. Sometimes the baby is in NICU. Sometimes the mother is working. Sometimes there's pain, stress, or low milk supply. That's where a breast pump becomes a mother's support system. Not a machine, but a companion in her motherhood journey. A manual breast pump is a non-electric device that helps you express milk naturally using gentle hand pressure. It is portable, silent, affordable, easy to clean, perfect for travel, perfect for emergency pumping, and ideal for new moms. It offers a natural, safe, and reliable way to collect breast milk without electricity or batteries. A manual breast pump includes a breast shield or flange that fits over the breast, a soft silicone cushion for comfort and seal, a handle or lever for pumping motion, a valve and membrane to control suction, and a milk container bottle that safely collects milk. Each part plays an important role in comfort, suction, and smooth milk flow. To use a manual breast pump correctly, always start by washing your hands properly. Clean hands protect your baby from germs and infection. Assemble the pump carefully and make sure all parts are clean, dry, and properly fitted. Place the breast shield gently over your nipple and make sure it is centered and sealed properly around the breast. Begin pumping slowly and gently. Use soft, rhythmic pressure at first to stimulate natural milk letdown. Once milk begins to flow, increase the pumping rhythm comfortably and naturally. Keep your body relaxed, your shoulders loose, and your breathing slow. Stress and tension reduce milk flow, but calmness increases it. Continue pumping until the milk flow naturally slows down. Then safely transfer the milk into a clean storage container or breast milk storage bag. Breast pumping should never be painful. Always use the correct flange size. Sit in a comfortable position, use gentle suction. Apply a warm compress before pumping, massage your breasts before pumping, drink enough water, eat healthy food, and keep your body relaxed. Comfort creates better milk flow, and better milk flow builds better milk supply. To increase milk supply naturally, pump regularly, feed on demand,